It's our job to make sure everyone is happy. That's why our team works so hard at providing great service. It's so rewarding to receive and share great feedback like this. And here's our latest rave online review. Our staff works hard to deliver top quality service and optimal value. It's just one more bit of evidence that we're on the right track with our company-wide emphasis on quality and satisfaction. We work hard to ensure everyone is happy and satisfied with our service, and we will work just as hard for you too. Thanks for taking a moment to check us out. Don't hesitate to contact us at the number on your screen. We look forward to doing business with you.